How to resize partition without losing data. Right-click the partition you want to resize in DiskGenius. Click Resize Partition. You can set the partition size in the pop-up window. Place mouse pointer on the edge of partition and you can drag it to change partition size. Then select how to handle disk space in the drop-down box. After setting up, click the Start button. DiskGenius will display a prompt window showing the precautions and operation steps for this lossless partition resizing. Click Yes to continue. Click Complete button when the program finishes resizing partition.